Hey, seniors, today is April 12th, and you are starting your second week of your last quarter. So let's keep things up. Try to stay up because this quarter is going to end a little early for you. I have to report that all you guys are passing and ready to go by the middle of May. So and so you can focus on your stuff, around graduation if you're going to do it in person, et cetera, and so forth. So deadlines are going to be a little bit harder, and I try to keep pace. But with that said, let's go through this next week. Also, last week a lot of you did not log in, so make sure you log in. Now, admittedly, if you don't log in, you can't see this, and if you log in, you do. But try to keep up with it. We are working this week on the writing process, and so let's go through this real fast. This is basically a review. First is writing process, and then your set of research notes, and then a discussion. So watch this video here. You click it, you see it comes up. We'll check this up. Skip this ad for Squarespace. You know what to do. And then go through and complete this Nearpod lesson. Let's make sure it were open. We'll go through the. So this happened last week, so I'm glad I actually checked this. I'm going to leave this in the video. I want to remove that Nearpod lesson and make sure everything in the quiz can be found in the crash course video. So we'll do that in a second. All right. Here's your research notes. Now there's no Nearpod for you to do. Watch this video on how to use EBSCOhost. It's kind of important. And what you do. This video is by Larissa Coe, who I work with. So if it says she's a teacher, she's not. I'm still your teacher. Don't worry. But she's the one who made this unit for us today. This gives you an example. Make sure you kind of follow us through with your research notes. You need 3 sources. This is why your question last week was so important. If you have a question you can't really research, you can't really do the research notes. And then use EBSCOhost. Remember to sign in. Use your student login. What is your student login? You enter the password provided by teacher or your media specialist at your school. So you need to know this from your media specialist at home because it's going to be where it was assigned to you as your home school. Usually it's just the same password that you use to log into library. You may also use online and database as your password, so that'll work. And so let's check that out here. So we'll type in online and password database. And yep, you get right in. All right, so use that here. Okay, cool. So you don't have to use this. Here's your rubric. Go through this. Make sure you just fill it out for all 3 sources. It's worth 48 points. This is your assessment for the week. And then a discussion. And your discussion question is how would the world be different if no one ever wrote? All right, that's what you're doing for the week. That's really it. We're gearing up towards your paper. We probably have 2 more units before you even assign your paper, and your paper will have a couple weeks for you to do it, so don't freak out there. But that's all this week. I hope you get started and that you stay up. And remember, we're almost done. We're so much more close to done than you realize, seniors. And then you're free. Thank you, guys. Hope you have a great week. See you later.